Okay, here we go again with the orange blossom special here. Sick freak of nature. Look at this. It's November, I think 5th. I'm not sure, I'll check and then I'll put it on the show note. Look at this guy though. I think it's around 5:30. I don't know if I said that. We got daylight savings, which I love so much. Look at this butt nugget. Look what he's dropping out of this thing. Guys, we have to make sure these guys are exposed somehow. Please help me out here. Everybody's watching sports and acting like nothing's happening. This is something happening. And it's something very bad. Like the damn thing's on fire. If I can get in a little bit closer without screwing everything up. I'm right on the street here, sorry, so it's hard to speak. You can't believe it, but there's still some people that will say that this is condensation. Okay, for 600 miles. Sure it is. Sorry it's so shaky. Hold on, let me see if I can fix this. Look at this monster. This is unbelievable, man. Even though I've seen it 1,000 times, it's like, I can't believe I'm seeing it, and nobody's doing anything. The traffic's going, people are walking their dog, waving hi. I mean, it's just nothing, like they see nothing, and I've tried to point it out to everybody. This is insane. Look at this pecker. You know, a good idea to get people to admit this is going on is just call what do you call that stuff you put on your roof, and it's the sun. Solar. Yes. Call them up, solar people, and say, look, I'm thinking about getting solar paneling. Do the chemtrails block off the solar panel? And does it block off the sun and all that stuff? Ask them that. And they'll admit it goes on. Oh, no, they don't really hurt it that much, you know, but and so they're telling you it's happening. They know because their job is making sure that their product works. Look at that orange. You tell me that's the sunset. Kiss my rootin' tootin' pooper. My God. See that? All that stuff just spreads down below, drips down. People think because it dissipates at the end that it's something else. No, it's dissipating out into our air and we're breathing this crap. Look at this turd. Sorry, the shakiness, man. I always seem to get that. It's hard when they're far off like that. This guy's fairly close, though. I'm still sucking. All right, I think this is enough, but this shows you that the orange is not the sun. And that's all I got to say here now. It's just, it goes on and on. So take care, guys. I'm out. Look at that anus face. Sorry.